that can significantly improve the lives of pets and their owners. The British brand Sure Pet Care offers a wide range of gadgets for pets, and we wanted to show you some of their products. Animo is a small device that allows you to better understand your dog's activity and habits. Once the device is installed on the collar, it collects all kinds of information and then stores it in the app. For example, Animo will tell you how many hours your pet has slept or played, as well as how many calories it's burned. The dog can't talk to you when it's feeling bad. In the past, this could cause serious health problems. Now you can buy Animo for $74 and you'll have all the information you need to keep your pet healthy. And here we have Sureflap, smart doors for cats and small dogs. It's installed on the door and syncs with the owner's smartphone. Every time the pet goes for a walk or returns, the device sends a notification to the phone. With the app, you can close the door remotely, even when you're away from home. It also provides a comprehensive schedule to help you understand your pet's habits. The price of the device starts at $74 and goes up depending on the model. And finally, we have the Surefeed smart system. The device automatically supplies a portion of food of the required size at the selected time. Plus, if you have more than one pet, the device recognizes them and prevents them from stealing food from each other. For example, if your dog wants to eat the cat's food, the device will not open the bowl. Likewise, if the cat is not in the mood for food, the device covers the bowl with a lid to keep it fresh. Surefeed also notifies you when your pet eats and shows you how many grams it's consumed and how much food is left. All the information is stored in the application and helps to detect illnesses more quickly. It's very easy to tell if a pet hasn't eaten enough. The starting price is $100. Petwalk. The smart door system we've shown you is not the only one on the market. Here is another interesting device offered by the Austrian company Petwalk, which focuses on home security. The device is equipped with anti-burglar fittings and an alarm system to protect your home from intruders. The system can be fitted with a sensor and cameras. The presence of the pet is registered with the help of a collar or a chip to avoid other animals from entering the house. In addition, Petwalk has a companion app and a versatile configuration. For example, you can create a schedule with specific opening and closing times. These smart doors range in price from $1,400 to $1,600, depending on the size. iFetch and iFetch Frenzy. When you go to work or school and the house remains empty, the main problem for your pet is boredom. These two devices, iFetch and iFetch Frenzy, will keep your pet entertained. This is an automated ball launcher. These are two different models, but they work very similarly. All the owner has to do is teach their dog to bring the ball and put it in the receiver of the device. Then the catapult fires the ball and the dog fetches it again, so your pet can play for hours. iFetch is portable, so that you can play both at home and outdoors. The device is safe for your pets, people, and furniture. Active dogs will love it, but it's essentially suitable for all breeds. The price starts at $40. Foobler. Here's another device designed to entertain your dog when you're busy or out and about. The manufacturer claims that Foobler can keep your pet busy for up to 9 hours. It's a ball into which you can put some food or your pet's favorite treat. In order to get to the reward, the dog needs to solve some kind of puzzle, spinning the ball in a special way. The device can work in 6 different ways, so the dog won't get bored solving the same quest each time. Offering a large number of treats to your dog can be harmful, so the portions can be distributed in 15, 30, 60, and 90-minute intervals. When the toy's ready, it can attract the dog's attention with a beep. This way, for $23, you can buy a device that will make your pet happy and protect the house at the same time. Because if the dog is busy, it doesn't have time to destroy your shoes or furniture. Clever Pet Hub. Here's a similar gadget that can not only entertain your dog, but also develop its intelligence. With the Clever Pet Hub, your dog has to solve problems to get a treat. They are different in complexity, and the user can choose them in the mobile application. One of the simplest puzzles consists in touching a light on the device. Another game consists in making the colors match. If the dog solves the puzzle, it gets a well-deserved reward. The price of the device is $250. PetChats. You can't always be with your pet, even when you really want to. PetChats won't solve this problem, but it will allow you to miss your pet a little less, because it's an incredible automatic food dispenser, equipped with a camera and a small screen. The The device works in conjunction with a smartphone and allows the owner to communicate with their dog while away from home. The owner sees the animal on the screen of their smartphone, while the dog sees its owner on the monitor of the device and hears them thanks to the built-in speaker. You can also give treats to your pet through the app. PetChats can be purchased for $350. Ebo Cat Pal. So far, we've only talked about dog devices. It's time we talked about an invention designed to save cats from boredom. The Ebo Cat Pal is a small robot that has every chance of becoming your pet's best friend. First of all, your cat can chase it or roll it around on the floor. It has a special slot where you can insert a feather, for example, to make your cat even more interested. Ebo also has a built-in laser pointer, which can operate independently or be controlled by the user via the smartphone. The built-in camera allows you to see your pet while you're away from home, as well as record videos and take pictures. The surface of Ebo is soft, so you don't have to worry about safety. At the same time, it's also resistant to the cat's claws and sharp teeth. Built-in sensors prevent the robot from crashing into furniture, and the price of the toy is $240. Pet Omi. If the water in your pet's bowl is dirty or has been there for too long, your pet will drink less often, and in the worst case, may get sick. That's why Pet specialists have developed Omi, a smart water bowl. It also has a water purifier. It's equipped with a UVC lamp to kill bacteria. Tap water turns into drinking water in 1 minute. The smart sensor detects the quality of the water and informs you when to change it or add more water. Pet Omi is absolutely safe for your pet and has a capacity of 2 liters. The starting price is $134. The Nissan X-Trail for dogs. Today's last invention is a vehicle designed specifically for dog owners. Unfortunately, for now, it's just a